Hello, Jumbo Moi. It's me, Hilona _ KE, as always. So, hey, it's that time of the year whereby we eagerly wait for, so that we can sing the song Kamata Chembe na Panga, Twende Shambani, Kamata Chembe na Panga, Twende Shambani, Kamata Chembe na Panga, Twende Shambani, Kamata Chembe na Panga, Twende Shambani. That means let's hold on. I'm trying to look for light. Worry less. The sun is shining, but getting the best angle is a problem. That's better. It's that season again. Welcome so much, my people. New subscribers, highly welcome. Welcome with your friends, welcome with your people, welcome with everybody. That tell them that here we explore, we inspire, and we have fun. Here in this video, I'm answering the question, can I own a piece of land here in Finland? Why not? Why not? There are several ways of owning a piece of land. Even if it's an inch, hey, even if it is a box, it's a soil, it's soil. There are several ways of touching soil here in Finland. If you have been watching me for the longest time, I think you have known that it is possible. And for those who are new here, I'm here to encourage you and tell you that there is a therapeutic thing about nature. That one, we will not even say anything about it. There is a therapeutic benefit, name it all, about nature. When it comes to nature, for example, now I'm listening to birds. When it comes to nature, there is something which rises in our bodies. Remember, human beings were created and put in a garden. When they were put in garden, Adam and Eve, they were put there to nurture the garden, take care of the animals, enjoy the beautiful things about nature. We as human beings, we were created to enjoy the peaceful serenity of nature, to connect with soil. Okay? My question is, when was the last time you connected with soil? Big question. When was the last time you connected yourself with soil? There is a way whereby we are created to be creative. I know not everyone loves soil, but I know everyone loves eating. You love eating food. And food comes from majorly soil. This one we don't have anything much to say, but we only say that remember, whatever you consume, most of the things we consume, somebody has worked hard for it. Kamata chembe na panga. The video is becoming clear. Kamata chembe na panga, twende shambani. Kamata chembe na panga, twende shambani. That means it's time to go and do the gardening. I really love connecting with nature. I've just come from taking a walk in the forest. The weather is beautiful. The weather is wonderful. The weather is plus. This is the first week where we are experiencing a plus. So my people, I want to show you my garden, small garden, whereby I've now come and started seeing what is happening. I've already shown you that I have already planted the seeds. That's why I said there are several ways of touching soil. Buy a small packet of soil, come put it in a corner, put it in a small basket, plant even a small flower. You have already connected with soil. You have already connected with nature. That's why they always say that we encourage children to hold soil. There is a way, I don't know how to explain it. Our hands, these 5 fingers, hands, are created in a way that, you see, the moment you touch something, it either prospers or it fails. The moment you concentrate about doing something, you either gain from it or you lose from it. It depends also with the mindset that you went to do that thing. And now I pray that may our people, my people of Elon_KE, always be ready to touch things and prosper. They say that even if you do something small, even if you don't see the impact right away, you have already impacted your neurosystem. You have already impacted your physical health. You have already impacted your brain. You have already impacted your everything. Therefore, let's see this garden. And then I will take you. I don't know if it will be in this video or the next video, whereby we're going to look for plots. We're going to look for farming plots. We are going to look for rental plots, where we want to see, are we able to rent a plot? And what is the process of renting a plot or a piece of land here in Finland? Explore, inspire, have fun. Let me show you mine. Remember last time we did the turning over of the soil. So now I don't have to do that, but it's turning good well. It's turning well. As I record this video today is on 13th April 2025. In fact, it's not 13, it's 14. Because it will be 15. Yes. Imagine. The days are going too fast until even we lose control of counting. Do something. Let's go. We start from here. We still have a lot to come and do. Very dry, very dry, very dry. Here we have our fire. That one? Fireplace. You see the way it looks like. Last time we put those ones there just to stay there. We still have to do some cleaning here and there. Try to clean up all this. See the soil, the way we had turned the soil. This one, our fruit, is starting to grow. Very soon I have to write here the name, so that we will not be thinking what is the name. What is the name? This one is the Punavini Maria. You see the way it's dry. I always say that even if you see a tree being dry like this here in Finland, it doesn't mean that it does not have life. The outside picture does not show that, does not reflect the inside picture. The outside picture of something does not reflect the inside picture of something. For example, in this tree, you may think that, if you are seeing it for the first time, you may think that all these are dry. But wait until they have life. Here, there is life. Here, there is life. My people, my people. Even in this one, that one, there is life. That one, there is life. So this is how the soil looks like as we start this season. A small garden whereby we explore, inspire, and we have fun, you know, and we have fun. So my people, we have a lot to do. Slowly by slowly, we have a lot to do. We have a lot to clean up. We have a lot to tell ourselves that we are going to, what are we going to plant, where are we going to plant, and how are we going to plant. What are we going to plant, how are we going to plant, and where are we going to plant. We, at least the small garden we have, we maximize it. The small garden we have, we maximize it. The small thing you have, you maximize it. The small thing you have, you maximize it. I'm emphasizing on this because someone may say that I don't have. Do you know that even planting in containers, I'm sorry for the light, even planting in containers is the small thing you have. Even, not everyone loves soil. That is what I know. Not everyone loves touching soil. That's why I encourage people to always find what they love doing. But there are those people who love gardening or farming, but they have never gotten a chance, especially when they live abroad. They have never gotten a chance to know if it is possible to get a piece of land. And it is very cheap. Very cheap. Very cheap. This is the research I'm doing now, and I could like to share with you, my people. Let's explore these things. Let's get to learn these things. It's not only about going abroad to look for money, going abroad to study. It's also about living life. This is whereby we have to also divert to that. I have to live life. And living life is not only about soil. There are a lot of things that you visit places, you get to learn about your serenity, your area, your environment. You get to integrate to the system. Live life. As you work hard to build home, nyumbani, tulitoka tuchenge nyumbani, okay? Also, live life now. Life is now. Love the life you live now. Taking care of yourself, waking up early in the morning, getting to see what are the possibilities that I can live me. The cheap things which makes me happy. The cheap things which makes me happy. Because someone may say that I don't want to spend money. But have you ever thought about spending money in other things which does not even relate about your health, the person you're looking for money? It's high time you take care of yourself so that you become more productive. Eat well food. Even if you tell me that I get food from the shop, tell me, unapata wapi managu mama? Unapata wapi managu baba? Unapata wapi managu kijana yetu? Msichana yetu, utapata wapi managu? Yenye ukikula unasikia umekula. That was my vernacular language, that where will you get the black nightshade? Especially here in Finland. If not a friend who has planted it to give you small, where will you get the spinach, that taste of spinach that you want, that taste of skuma wiki that you want? It's until you plant them in somewhere. Even if you have a small veranda, corridor, balcony, put one sack, and there is a taste. Kuna taste nani, kuna ile ka taste. That is taste I want people to have it. Okay? Otherwise, continue watching my videos of gardening. Continue watching my videos of exploration. Continue watching my videos of inspiring you. And remember to always take care of yourself. It doesn't matter where you are. Whether you are back home, whether you are America, UK, Germany, Iran, wherever you are, Finland, wherever you are. Me, I'm recording this video here in Finland, where we experience long time of winter, longest winter. So when it comes to this time, we always tell ourselves that it's time to be outside. The earlier you are outside, the better. Allow me tell you this, the earlier you are outside, the better, because summer is very short. You will realize that, I never experienced my summer, especially if you are first time here in Finland. You don't know the system yet. You don't know the seasons yet. I encourage you to be outside, the earlier the better. Take your food, eat it in a puisto, in a garden. Experience this warm weather slowly by slowly. By the time it is August, you are already at the brim, at the brim. So my people, let me not talk so much, but let me go and explore the gardens, where they are, how much is it, are we able to, you call and ask, is it possible, and also do a research in the internet, and also ask friends. There are some people who have been doing this gardening forever, and they have not yet been sharing. I encourage you, if you have been doing any gardening, kindly share. Take your friends with you, go and plant. And as you plant there, you also socialize. That is the best thing about you being a human being. Socializing with other human beings. Having interactions with other human beings, Interaction. That's when you lower the level of loneliness. Weka zero. Summer, weka zero loneliness. Winter, you have already put your tank full, so you'll be able to swift smoothly through winter. with no problem. So this summer we are filling our tanks of socializing, interacting, connecting with soil, our brains to work. By winter, we are good to go. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Beautiful spring, beautiful summer, beautiful everything. Beautiful, beautiful everything. And remember to always work for you. You are else. Okay? See you in my next video. Okay? Bye-bye. Kabush, we are doing what? We are pushing forward, forward, forward. Slowly by slowly, but pharmacy. Bye-bye. Yes. Bye-bye.